The success is a relative term. Success, for me, when you say success, means you are stopping yourself somewhere.
Okay.
You get that sense that you have reached somewhere. Or you got it what you need to be. Or you have been viewed by people that, okay, you are here, good. So that means henceforth is surplus.
Okay.
So I don't believe in this surplus. And therefore I don't think about success. I feel that you start doing good, be on that journey. Let everybody analyze.
You are a lawyer by profession, but you are also deeply creative. Okay. So left brain आणि right brain मध्ये कधी हे होतं की sometimes the left tells the right what to do and vice versa.
It happens, because that's not my profession as specifically what as a creative things. Like from the your industry, somebody who are into the creative industry, you think it differently.
Right.
I am from political or legal background. I can think it differently. But yes, question comes whether what the left or right brain is talking to each other is correct or not. And I feel ultimately the best comes out of it when you think inclusively.
Okay.
And in my political chashma, I try to see that inclusively.
Okay.
Okay, since a lawyer,
हां.
ते आपण नेहमी म्हणतो ना की 100 गुन्हेगार सुटले तरी चालेल, पण एक निर्दोष अटक होता कामा नये.
हां हां.
सो दॅट इज द बेस्ट फॉर मी इन अ क्रिएटिव्ह इंडस्ट्री ऑल्सो की ओके 10 क्रिटिसिझम झालं तरी चालेल, पण एक चूक समाजाला घातक असता कामा नये
Okay.
किंवा त्याचा गैरअर्थ काढता कामा नये क्रिएटिव्ह गोष्टीमध्ये.
Understood. Understood.
सो मे बी दॅट इज अ थर्स्ट फॉर मी टू फायनली कम टू कन्क्लुजन.
आणि कधी असं झालंय की काही क्रायसिस असलं किंवा काही टेन्स सिच्युएशन असली तो डू यू रिलाय मोर ऑन लीगल रिझनिंग और इमोशनल इंटेलेक्ट?
Many times I feel that I go more on legal. In public life.
हां
In personal life, yes, emotions.
हां.
It means a lot.
When cameras are off and when meetings are over with, what is it that you like to do in your private time?
Absolutely reading
Reading.
books and listening the songs.
So I know that you love music. Do you also sing?
I don't sing, but I can follow those who are singing.
No, if you can sing, if you would have said yes, we would have asked you to sing something.
I don't sing. I don't sing.
But you love Mohammed Rafi.
Of course, yes.
Okay. I'm from the Kishore camp, so.
But Rafi Saab is Rafi Saab. Kishore ji is
Of
great.
course, yes, yes.
Absolutely.
A side of him that no one knows is I think he loves singing. Our karaoke nights are literally a proof to it because in our karaoke night, I think I've seen Kaka be so happy, sing his heart out.
So, which is that one song that you really love and just touches a chord? I know खूप असतील, पण तरी एक चूज करायचं असलं.
And I can certainly tell you. And my wife asked me why you like this song.
हां.
Till today, I could not give a reason that why I'm liking this song.
Okay.
Because this song is Rafi Saab song, तेरे नाम का दीवाना, तेरे घर को ढूंढता है. It's absolutely Anand Bakshi has wrote it, and Sanju Kumar has acted on it.